Cleaning brass doesn't have to be a chore if you pick the right product. This comprehensive video will help you choose the best brass cleaner for every task. Number 1, most popular. Wright Brass Cleaner. If you're looking for the best all-around brass cleaner, it's hard to beat Wright Copper and Brass Polish. This product requires that you rinse your brass, apply the cream, rinse again, and then dry and buff. Wright Copper and Brass Polish is a mild formula that won't scratch delicate items or mirror finishes. It gently removes heavy tarnish, brings back the shine, and leaves a protective coating, so you can spend more time admiring your brassware and less time cleaning it. Wright Copper and Brass Polish bears the coveted Good Housekeeping seal of approval, underscoring its quality and value. Number 2. Brasso Multi-Purpose Metal Polish. Brasso has been around for over 100 years, and for some people, it's the only word for brass cleaner. Its ease of use, great cleaning power, and low price have kept it extremely popular to this day. Brasso is formulated to bring a quality shine to a range of lackluster surfaces, including brass, copper, chrome, bronze, stainless steel, pewter, and aluminum. No polishing wheel is required with this product. You simply apply the compound to a soft cloth and wipe it over the surface. As you buff it off, it leaves a lasting shine. Number 3. Weiman Brass Polish and Cleaner. The unique non-scratch formula is safe enough for delicate items but powerful enough to eliminate tarnish from large areas. For best results, apply the cleaner with a soft cloth, polish well, rinse, dry, and buff. And with very little physical effort, you can create a brilliant, lasting shine. Weiman Brass and Copper Polish and Cleaner contain an anti-tarnish ingredient, which helps stave off future corrosion. Like most brass cleaners, it's not for use on lacquered items, but it is safe for copper, chrome, bronze, and pewter. Number 4. Twinkle Brass and Copper Cleaning Kit. The Twinkle formula quickly removes tarnish, water spots, and other stains. Twinkle also contains a tarnish inhibitor for lasting protection, to prevent drying out. With the Twinkle Brass and Copper Cleaning Kit, you won't have to go hunting for the right kind of cloth before you can get started. Just open the box and the ideal sponge applicator is right there with the brass cleaning cream. To use, rinse your brassware in hot water, apply the cream, and then rinse again. Next, give your brass a quick wipe with a dry cloth to reveal the shine. Number 5. Flitz Brass and Copper Tarnish Remover. Flitz Brass and Copper Tarnish Remover uses natural organic salts rather than harsh, toxic chemicals and acids. But the no-rub formula still gets the job done. You simply spray it on and rinse it off. It's also a remarkably versatile cleaner. You can use it on aluminum, glass, porcelain, fiberglass, and even brickwork. However, it is not for use on patina finishes, which is a rule with almost all brass cleaners. While it is particularly good at removing deeply ingrained tarnish, it's not a polish. It will restore brass surfaces to their natural warmth but does not leave a high shine.
Thanks for watching the video.